Okay, sweetheart, this is the Cotton Bay house. This is the front door to there. Real quick. Huge, huge entryway. And there's carpet in here. And then you've got the little extra room for an office, or it's actually really huge. I'm going to turn around and show you the living room. The humongous ceilings. And then over there is the spare bedrooms. Actually, I think that's both the living areas. Let me show you the fireplace mantle real quick. It's pretty. It's big up in here. Let me go show you the bedrooms and stuff. This is the master bedroom. It's got a couch in here, but it's got trade ceilings. It's pretty. This must be the closet. No, this is the bathroom. Holy shit. Got a shower over here. The window. This must be the closet. One of them. Oh, that's itty. Itty. A little bit. Yeah. It's kind of tiny, but, you know. But over here is the shower. Got a little chair in there. A little place to sit. A linen closet here. They've got the tile floors down in here. This is the sinks. Looks like that might be burnt a little bit from the bulbs. Huh. The sinks are marble. Those are pretty. This tub is huge. And you got the toilet in here. It is actually pretty large in here too, just for the toilet. Yep. There must be another closet over here. This one's larger. Then back into the bedroom. That must be the neighbor's house right there. That's awful close. But this room is huge, Steve. I think this house is almost 3,000 square feet. Let me turn off these lights that I turned on. Go this way. Got a large bedroom here. Another window. Door closet. Holy crapola. Look at this closet. They've got a fucking... That is huge. Got another walk-in closet up there. This is the guest bath. Oh, it's got the marble too. See, that one doesn't look like it's got the burn marks up there like the other one did. But they've got tile on the floors here and the red rugs. closet. Not that you can see it. Just a little corner one. Oh, this has got 3 bathrooms. Good God. Nice sink. I guess all the bathrooms have the marble. Another closet. There's got to be lights in here somewhere. I just can't see. There you go. And then another guest bed. Looks like it's dirty or burnt or something. But this is a large room. Looks out front. And you got the 4th bedroom. Yeah? Yeah, 4th bedroom. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Let's count. This is pretty large too. Looks out front. Let's take a peek in there. Or how about we can't because it's locked. Okay. I'm going to take you over into the kitchen. In the kitchen is all the wood. Looks out to the backyard. I'm fixing the video over there, guys. If you didn't, I don't care if you're in it. I just, just giving you a heads up. This is marble. The kitchen's red, but it's kind of a pretty red. Here you monkey. Now here is the pantry. Huge pantry. It's like walk in. It's like hello. And back here is a washer and dryer area. This leads out to the back porch. Actually, it leads out to the back patio that's enclosed. Okay. Lots of cabinets. And crown molding up there. Nice deep sinks. Just make it, yeah. Here, remove you. And then I will take you back out to the back porch. Almost done.
On to the pool.
Yes.
The pool man came yesterday and put chlorine in it. Because after all the wind, they made it kind of turn green.
Oh, that's
So
okay.
he's got to come back
Yeah.
and clean it out. So.
They have a patio. It's closed in.
Haven't got that in yet.
Things. It's carpeted.
Wow, this is nice.
Mm-hmm.
Is that your little coal shed? Or is that
That was
just...
his